Hey everybody, RJ here, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my experience on the day I picked up my Tesla Model 3, and that will be coming up next.
What's up guys, it's RJ here. Today's date is August 20th, 2019, and it is the morning of the day I pick up my Tesla. So it's 6:48 a.m. I really wanted to get a little bit more sleep in, but I guess my body's telling me I'm pretty excited. My pickup time is at 11, so we still got about 4 hours to kill. Maybe I'm gonna cook myself some breakfast, shower, get ready, and go from there.
So, just waiting on my Uber or my Lyft. On my way to pick me up, head over to the Tesla dealership to go pick up my first ever Tesla Model 3. Stay tuned. We're at the destination. Just got out of my Lyft. We are now at the Tesla dealership. I did come about 30 minutes early today, so can you tell I'm excited? My appointment is for 11 o'clock, so we'll just walk around. I'll probably meet my person, see if they can get me in early, but I doubt it because they're always pretty busy, so. Alright you guys, I'm in turn off my music here. I am driving right now, or my car is driving me, my new Tesla! Oh my gosh, man, this is freaking awesome. So, I'm doing the autopilot. You know I'm doing the autopilot. We just got out of the lot, and Tesla's driving me home pretty much, allowing me to film and vlog. This is awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and play around with this car. I'll pretty much be on the Tesla all day, just playing around with it. I mean, yeah, I'm already, look guys, it's driving itself. It's driving itself. Go Tesla, go. The process was very simple with Tesla. You go in there at your scheduled delivery date, you go on your scheduled delivery time, and then they walk you through the car, they walk you through the exterior, the interior, setting it up, configuring your driver profile, and then you sign like 5 pieces of paper, and then you're out of there. You're out of there, you're driving your new car. And this is the coolest thing, guys. This is the coolest thing, one of the coolest things that's ever happened in my lifetime. And it's just super exciting for me. Super exciting for me. Definitely, there's gonna be a lot of videos to come. You know, it's gonna echo a lot of videos that's already been out there, but you know, everyone's experiences, although they follow the same path, their experiences aren't always the same, right? This is my experience. No one's experiencing it the same way I'm experiencing it. So I'm gonna go ahead and release some videos on it and tell you guys what it's all about. Super excited. I'm gonna go ahead and just continue playing around with this car and just having fun with it, all right? I wanna soak up this experience as much as possible. I wanted to get some footage for you guys as well as I left the Tesla dealership, but here we are. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was definitely a lot of fun recording my experiences and tagging you guys along with pretty much waking up and taking the lift to the dealership and picking up the Tesla Model 3 and going through the whole orientation of setting it up and all the way to driving it home, or should I say the Tesla driving me home. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, as I would greatly appreciate it, as it helps this video reach more people out there. If you guys have any questions, just obviously post them in the comments section below, as I love interacting with you guys and answering your questions. Again, my name is RJ, signing out, and I will see you guys next time.